With Sky Q, if you don't want to pay for Multiroom and connect two TVs to Sky Q via a HDMI splitter, and you want to pair a second remote to use in the other room, here's how to pair them. The original remote on the left and the new remote purchased from Amazon on the right. One thing to note, only the one remote connected via Bluetooth can be used for voice commands. So you can unpair by holding down 7 and 9 together until the light flashes 4 times. And that'll disable the voice. And to pair a new one, you can press 1 and 3. Continue. I have a Samsung TV. Go across and then down. You find it for me. Do the volume.
Yes, it is. Thank you very much.
Did that work? Yes. Do your soundbar? No. Finish. BBC One. Formula One channel. BBC One. But now I've got that paired, I actually want that in the kitchen. So I want that with a voice command. So to go to IR only, press 4 and 6. And that will still work for Sky. But if I press the voice command, nothing happens. So that is now for my living room. So for my LG TV, to pair 1 and 3 together. So continue. Now my TV in the kitchen is an LG. Find it for me. Now if we go into the kitchen, and if I do the volume up.
Salt. Oh, that was salt.
Yeah, that was salt.
So it's yes. Control the speaker system, no. Finish. Now hopefully this one, I'll always do a volume. It does the home. Formula One channel. BBC One. So that was a quick demonstration of how to set up 2 remote controls. My now kitchen paired has connected with Bluetooth, so I can use a voice command. And my living room TV will just use it via IR. So the voice command doesn't work, but it does on this one. But as you can see on both, as you can see, this doesn't work through Bluetooth, as it doesn't work in the kitchen, where this one does. But when in the living room, my living room one works via infrared, and my kitchen one works by Bluetooth. And how do I get both TVs connected? If you have two TVs close to each other, you don't need Multiroom. I just have a HDMI splitter. The SkyQ HDMI cable goes in one side, then splits into two. One to the living room TV, the other through the wall to the kitchen TV. That was a quick setup guide on pairing two SkyQ remotes. Any comments or questions, leave below. Hit that subscribe and the like button. Thanks for watching.